Time to a cannon, make them cannonballs to the ocean, make them suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse, animal cruelty on the fucking news.
On this episode of Holden Customs, we're going to be installing some racing seats into MANGA, our drift car. So these are the fake Bride ERGOs we're going to be installing. I've already put this one in, but I'm going to show you how to do the other one by using the original rails off that seat and put them on the new one. So as you can see, I have the other seat just here. It is a bit sun damaged, but we're going to get some vinyl dye onto it and make it all re-black. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to rip out the passenger seat.
Hey, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes, but I learned from my lessons. Trapping by the stoop, villains pull up to the coupe. My car ain't got no roof.
So we've got our seat out, and this is pretty much going to be the exact same as the driver's. All there is just these 4 bolts that are got to come out. That one there and that one there. Pretty much we're going to have to get all this paneling off. There will be some bolts and this whole back piece will come off. Then pretty much you pull these off on 4 sides. This whole cushion will come out and you can access these bolts from the top.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you trying to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like, why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way. Flow is mean, but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seemed right. It's my fucking team, like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face me acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my.
Okay, so like I said before, you take the cushion out and it's legit those 4 bolts. So we'll remove them now and then we'll get our rails ready for our seats.
We play this game in my head, like I think I'm good and then I don't know. I got mental issues, don't know what to call it. Okay, I got a couple screws loose inside my noggin. Shout out to my dad for not using the condom, cause now I'm a problem. Imagine these rappers were tight, mumble rap was just a gag at the mic. Back in the lab they were actually tight, counting stacks while getting a laugh at the hype. And these pill poppin' rappers have a dab. Okay, so we've got our new seat, we've flipped it upside down. Already had bits of steel plate. That's how it came, because I bought these second hand. But pretty much, this is where you can either bolt these down from the other side, but because these are never going to come back out, and if I get new seats, I'll reuse these steel plates, so I'm just going to weld around them. So that's our 4 points. Because the bar here keeps these 2 holes the right dimension, the rears have nothing bracing it. So what I've done is I went out to the car and I've measured the centers between these holes and I've matched them up, measured it all right. So now all we're going to do is go weld these up. So it's more of a permanent. Okay, so we're all set up ready to weld this. Don't do what I'm doing in a singlet, shorts, no shoes and no gloves. I'm actually a qualified welder by trade, so I'm fine with doing this. I've done it. I've been welding for about 10 years now. So, and I do a lot of flux core welding at home.
which is pretty much just a gasless MIG, but I've mastered the flex core welding now. So we'll go ahead and weld these up.
Gotta be the one to put us on, cause I ain't waiting for nobody else to make it. Breaking through the game and I don't want the fame, but if the money comes up being famous, I'ma have to take it. Please don't tell me when you're in my face, and I won't have complaints. I never beg your place and winning shit for grace, and I don't do no third or fucking second places. Oh God, tell me what's happening. You ain't liking the fact that I'm back again, and I'm godly as fuck. I should live in the Vatican. No one's a rapper is matching. It's a lot of talking, lot of checks from lot of bond, a lot of nexus to your conversation. While you bring my name up, just a lot of flex, and I don't do no changing. I ain't never changed up. I'm the only one. Take you out with just a single shot. I guess that you could call that shit a hole in one. If you got the money, better show me some. You need my name up on the dotted line, and you don't know me, son. Don't ever hold me, son, cause I got shit to do if you ain't talking business, and this shit is.
Alright, so that's all our welding done on that. Pretty much just clean it all up. Clean the spatter, give it a paint so it doesn't rust. And then stick it in, see if it all fits.
We some all-stars, we some Capitan, we some winners, we go so hard, never giving in to no critics. I can do it, do it, do it, I knew it all. I said I can do it, do it, do it, I knew it all. We some MVPs, we the state champs, getting scouted, I believe in me. Never really cared, no doubters, I can do it, do it.
Okay, so that's pretty much our front racing seats in. They're pretty simple to do. With the old seats, you can just put the cushion back on and the bracket. Now if you're in good nick like mine are, you can resell them, so these will be for sale if you want them. You're just going to have to supply your own rails, but it'll be very simple to fab something up if you want to put them into a different car. So as usual, stay tuned for another episode of Holden Customs. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Great, now I've got to go put these seats back together and try and sell them.